Hi!
I need to take off my jacket.
What do we
Yeah,
do?
you have to take out the jacket. I'm gonna show the
That
picture
boy
on,
look normal.
on Yaya.
A little too overdressed though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't have anything else.
Okay.
Anna, help me.
You know what? I'm gonna wear nice boots so it'll underdress it a bit.
Anna, help me put on my eyes.
Of course.
Help Adriana. Please. Τι είναι, βάλει πήγαινε στο δικηγόρο, εντάξει.
Yeah, that kind of tape.
Ναι, πρέπει να βλέπει η Γιαγιά.
Okay, who's gonna do it?
Κατερίνα, ο Αποστόλης. Θέλουν να δουν την Αντριάννα.
Okay, take your boots off and then we have to wash our hands. Not like that. We don't throw them. We do nice.
Sal, I love your blow dryer book. It's the coolest thing ever. Where'd you get it from?
The blow dryer holder.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Is it not?
Yeah.
It's for small spaces.
The best Christmas present.
No, not in there. In the laundry. We put the socks in the laundry and go put your pasumaya on.
Μπράβο, Αντριάννα. Μπράβο, Αντριάννα.
Go put your pasumaya.